Today I'm going to show you how to mimic HDR in Pixlr using a quick, easy method that can instantly add more depth, contrast, and detail to your image. If you've ever wanted that dramatic HDR style look without overdoing it, this tutorial is for you. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your image in Pixlr and look at the Layers panel. The very first thing you want to do is duplicate your base layer. On most keyboards, you can do this quickly with Ctrl+J. Duplicating the layer is important because it lets you make the effect stronger or weaker without damaging your original image. Once the layer is duplicated, go to the adjustment options and choose Mimic HDR. This is the effect that gives your image that enhanced high dynamic range style. It helps bring out shadows, highlights, and texture so the photo looks more vivid and punchy. After applying Mimic HDR, don't stop there. The next step is to fine-tune the look so it feels natural and not too harsh. Click on the Layer Blend mode and try setting it to Soft Light. Soft Light usually gives a nice balance boost to contrast while keeping the image believable. If you want a stronger, more dramatic result, you can also try Multiply. Multiply darkens the image more and can create a deeper, moodier HDR style effect. Now, adjust the opacity of that layer. A good starting point is somewhere between 50 and 70%. Lower opacity keeps the effect subtle and realistic, while higher opacity makes the HDR look more intense. This is where you can really control the final style, so take a moment to compare the before and after. If the effect looks too strong, reduce the opacity a little more. If it feels too soft, increase it slightly or switch between Soft Light and Multiply until it feels right for your image. The goal is to enhance detail and contrast without making the photo look artificial. This method is especially useful for landscapes, architecture, product shots, and any image where you want more visual impact. With just a duplicated layer, Mimic HDR, and a blend mode adjustment, you can get a much more polished and professional result in Pixlr. So to quickly recap, duplicate the base layer with Ctrl+J, apply the adjustment and Mimic HDR effect, then set the blend mode to Soft Light or Multiply and reduce the opacity to around 50 to 70% for the best balance. That's the simple formula for mimicking HDR in Pixlr. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more editing tips, and let me know in the comments what software tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.